Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to discuss one topic about WhatsApp. Means if you have deleted any message in WhatsApp by mistake and you want to recover that but you do not have backup, then what will you do? How will you retrieve that chat if you have deleted that chat unknowingly, unintentionally, or intentionally also? So in this video I am going to tell you the procedure, the method. I am going to show you step by step procedure by which you can get back those chats which you have deleted without backup. So what you need to do, I am going to tell you in this video. Before proceeding further, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, suppose we are going to WhatsApp and I am deleting this Dr. Lal path. This chat I am deleting. Okay, so I have deleted that chat. Now I want to recover that chat. I don't have backup. So what will I do now? I will just go to the My Files app in your mobile. In Samsung, that is here in Samsung My Files, but you can go to File Manager app also, or you have to just go to the internal storage My Files, then go to the as soon as you will tap the internal storage, you will come to on this page. Just tap on internal storage and then tap on Android and then tap on media, and in media one folder com.whatsapp. This is the folder where WhatsApp files are being stored. Just select it by long pressing it. Okay, 1 minute, something has happened. Just select by long pressing it and then copy it and just paste it at another location. Just go to one step back and copy here. So now that folder is being copied here. Okay, here that folder has been copied. Now go back to WhatsApp, just long press it and uninstall it. Do not keep any data, just press OK. Now it will be uninstalled. So WhatsApp is being uninstalled now. Then go to the Play Store and here search for WhatsApp Messenger and install it. It will take some time. I will come back when it will be downloaded. It is being downloaded. Now it has been downloaded. It is installing WhatsApp Messenger. So it has been installed. Now we will press open. Now it will just ask something like new WhatsApp is being installed. Agree and continue. Now here you do not need to enter your number right now. Just go back. It has been installed. Go back to internal storage again. My Files, internal storage, then Android, and here that is the file which you have copied. Just move this file or copy this file to media and here this location. Just overwrite, copy here. Now it will ask that replace it. Yes, replace it. Now it will be replaced. So it has been copied here. Just go back and now go to the WhatsApp which you are installing in your phone. Just give your phone number and OTP. Then after giving OTP, just allow it. Now it will look for backup. It is looking for backup, and now backup found. Just restore it. It is restoring. It will take some time. So now it has just restored. It will ask for name. Give any name, whatever your name is. And now see that Dr. Lal path, this chats has been restored. So this was the method by which you can restore the deleted message even when you have not the backup. So if you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends and on social media. Thank you very much.